My name is Juan Cano. I am the Marketing Director for Screen Europe.
And my name is Peter Minnes, Group Marketing Director of Komori. We are extremely proud to organize this crossover event in close cooperation with Screen Europe. And together, we are bringing new possibilities to the printing industry.
Our partnership with the Komori Group is based on shared values, innovation, high quality, and a deep commitment to helping businesses grow with the latest inkjet printing technology. During Screen's Pharma leaflet open house, we showcased the latest high-speed inkjet digital printing technology and how this technology can deliver the digital printing flexibility, the print quality, the accuracy and the cost-effective production of leaflets for this very competitive industry. This exclusive event presented a rare opportunity for high-level professionals from across all corners of Europe to come together, network and share ideas on how digital printing can help them expand and streamline their pharmaceutical leaflet workflows.
And in this second venue, we are actually focusing on digital printing, pharma, finishing and much more. So we have actually organized a unique setting over here, together with the Postpress Alliance members and international guest speakers like Morten and Bernd. We are organizing the crossover event to connect with our customers, to create growth together. So people can enjoy excellent conversations with all the industry leaders, the industry partners, but also witness live demonstrations on all this equipment running here in this showroom. This is one show that inspires.
Our users rely on integrated printing and finishing solutions to continuously drive efficiency in this demanding sector. And close partnerships with finishing equipment providers like Komori Group and other partners are vital to ensure that every stage of production operates reliably and at the highest possible standards. We aim to demonstrate an end-to-end solution in pharmaceutical leaflet production, from raw materials through digital printing, finishing and folding.
So together with Screen, the Postpress Alliance members, we are ready to listen, we are ready to act, ready to collaborate. Not only to find a perfect solution for your business, but also to simplify your total workflow.
Building a future in print together.